What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the ClearCryptos YouTube channel. In this video, I want to talk about crypto capitulation and what that means and how we can prepare for the next capitulation phase here in the cryptocurrency market. See, Bitcoin has been channeling recently anywhere from 16 to 18,000. It's been pretty boring, actually, after the FTX contagion and the FTX fallout. See, but Bitcoin doesn't stay boring for long. We're going to get some extreme volatility, and how can we best prepare for that moving forward? That's what I want to address. So before we dive in, make sure you hit the like button down below, subscribe if you haven't already right here to the channel. And we've got some interesting news about some crypto investors and crypto whales in particular that have been accumulating Bitcoin, a lot of Bitcoin, down at the 16,000 range. Now, there's a couple different schools of thought here. Number one is that they're accumulating for short-term trading purposes, meaning the bottom in this last month and a half has been right around 16K after the FTX debacle. And maybe they're accumulating there and looking to sell once we get to about 17.5 again, maybe if we get back up to 18,000, right? So they're accumulating in this zone just to take profits accordingly because it's trading in this tight zone. We could have a nice pop in the price with Bitcoin and the rest of the market here in the short term, but there are a lot of investors out there and analysts saying that this is only going to be for the short term, and get ready because we can have a bear market rally that gets people all excited. And then we could have a big crypto capitulation phase, which basically means a mass sell off. And just then we might hit our bottoms. Many people in the industry don't think we've hit bottom in the cryptocurrency market. So take that for what you will. And really, the reason I'm making this video is I want people to know both sides of the coin here. So if we do start seeing a rally, right? Bitcoin starts flying to 17.5 to 18,000. Now it's 18.5. Oh my gosh, it hit 19,000. The knee-jerk reaction is for people to chase those green candlesticks and buy during those good times. In reality, we should be buying during the red days and the bad times. I know it's tough to do, but I just don't want people to get caught in a capitulation phase. That's why dollar cost averaging, just buying a little bit every day, a little bit every week, a little bit every month, whether it's up, down, or just hanging around at the same price, at least you're getting and accumulating Bitcoin every single day, week, or month. And it's really passive. You don't have to think about it, right? But if you are looking to time it a little bit, be prepared for crypto capitulation. Be prepared for a bear market rally followed by an extreme sell-off. That is where a lot of analysts lie in their predictions right now. I'm just bringing you up to speed on that. Nobody has a crystal ball. Nobody knows exactly what's going to happen. But from the research and information I've gathered, just want to share some of that knowledge with you. And that way you're a little bit better informed here as we roll into 2023. So let me know what you guys think about this down below. Appreciate you guys stopping back by the ClearCryptos YouTube channel. If it's your first time dropping in, we do a ton of different content like this. You're going to see a ton of different faces. So if you want to get educated, you want to stay up to speed on what's going on in crypto, make sure you're subscribed. Also, do a deep dive into ClearCryptos and what they're actually building here in the DeFi space. I think you'll be pleasantly surprised. Thanks again, guys. We'll see you in the next video.